Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for Chapter 6 Civics Part 1 Advertising. In this video we will discuss the topic meaning of advertising, objectives of advertising. In that we have subtopic brand. Then we have types of advertising. In that we have the subtopic commercial advertising. And with that we will discuss the process of advertising. So these are some of the very important topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So here we will start our topic advertising. You would have seen many advertisements on the television. In that we see many different type of products. So what is actually the advertising? Advertising is the activity of drawing people's attention to particular goods and services with the help of different forms of media. Right? What we see in the advertisement? We see different type of products, right? Now what happens with the advertisement? Because of the advertisement, there is a healthy competition between the producers who produce the goods. Now in this healthy competition, what happens? It leads to lower price of the product. Also the quality can be enhanced because of this healthy competition of the advertisement, right? Like there is some competition in the producers, like they are selling on this price, then people will buy only the price with the lower product. So other other producers, what they do, they also decrease their price of the product. Also there is competition for the for providing the good things, right? Quality products to the people. So because of the advertisement, there is a healthy competition in between the producers, and this healthy competition leads to lower price of the product and the quality can be enhanced. Okay. Also when we are having advertisement for different products, we know about different products, right? Because of the advertisement only we come to know about the different products. Now we can finally make our decision, right? We can compare the products and we can make our decision whether this is good or not, whether this is in my budget or not. Like this we can make the comparison between the products and we can take a final decision. So what it does actually, it draws our attention to the particular goods and services, and there are many different types of forms of media which is used for this. Like advertisement can be given in form of notice, right? Picture or film, right? So there are many different forms of the advertisement. Now whenever any company is making any product, they need to advertise their product, right? For selling, they have to do advertisement for that. Otherwise, how people will know, right? How people will know about their product? So like this, advertisement establish a relationship between consumer and the manufacturer. Okay, because advertisement only with the help of advertisement only, people will know about the product. Okay. Now there are some objectives of the advertisement, right? So we will go through the specific objectives of the advertising. It is done to encourage people to buy the product. Also, with the help of advertisement, the people can differentiate between different products, okay, and convince the people that it is better than other products available in the market. Okay. Also, with the advertisement, the product remains in the people's eyes. Okay. To provide information about a particular product or service, including announcement of launch of a product, purchasing outlets, uses of the product, etc. So these are some of the objectives of the advertising. Now comes the topic brand. What is actually the brand? Now, brand actually refers to a spatial identification or name which is associated with the product. How? Like if you buy loose sugar, you can buy the sugar in loose form. Okay. But when a company take over that sugar and put it into packet and put their name on that, it will become branded, like Shakti Bhog sugar. The same way we have Nature Fresh mustard oil, Tata salt is there, Santoor powder is there. So like this we have many different names which is associated with the product. Okay. So these are called brands. So it is actually stamping a product with a particular name or sign. That is brand. Okay. Otherwise you can find loose mustard oil also in the market. But when you buy the mustard oil in packet or in bottle, you will find that it is associated with some name. Okay. So that is called brand. Now why branding is done? So branding is done to differentiate a product from the other products which are available in the market. Now people are not going to buy the product because of the name. So here company has to tell the reason why people should buy that. What are the qualities in their product so that people can buy that. If people are buying packet branded sugar, why should they buy that? How it is better than the loose sugar? So here the need of the advertisement arises. Okay. So here advertisement needs to be done and they need to tell the people through the advertisement that what are the qualities, how it is better than other products. Otherwise how people will know about their product? So this is because the branding needs to be done. Now we have different types of advertising. So in that we have commercial advertising and social advertising. So there are two different types of advertising here. Now what is commercial advertising? So commercial advertising accounts for a major portion of advertising. and it is for the buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers, it links the buyers and sellers. Also, the main aim is promoting the interest of the advertiser, which is a large business organization. Okay, so it is actually for the business purpose, for selling and buying the products. Now, commercial advertising is divided into product advertising, classified advertising, industrial advertising, and institutional advertising. Now here the product advertising means advertising of consumer product. Okay, what advertising of consumer product comes in the product advertising. If some products needs to be buy as a sold, so whatever advertisement is done for that, that is product advertising. Classified advertising means classified advertising gives the information of regarding birth, death, marriages, availability of houses, vehicles, jobs, services, etc. So whatever advertisement giving information about these things, that comes in classified advertising. Now it is industrial advertising. Industrial advertising gives the information about the technical persons. Okay. And in institutional advertising, it highlights an institution's effort to encourage education and research, health and sanitation, public welfare, sports, etc. Okay. So it is basically institutional advertising is done for the institutions. You would have seen many of the advertisement for the institutions. Okay. Now among all these 4 types of commercial advertisement, the most important one is product advertising. And main purpose of this product advertising is to encourage people to buy various consumer or daily life products. Like you have toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, oil, hair oil, cars, motorcycles, TV, refrigerators, mobile phones, cosmetics. So all these various things come in the product advertising. Now this is done through various forms of media like newspaper, magazines, TV, radio, cinemas, hoardings, musical stage shows. So there are many various forms of media by which this advertising is done. Now we will discuss about the process of advertising. Okay, so we will take an example, and now suppose there is a company which is planning a brand new and very special motorcycle in the market. Now they need to do advertising campaign so that they can create interest among the consumer. They can tell the consumer that this is the motorcycle which is going to come, what are the qualities. These all informations needs to go to the reach to the consumers, and for that what they need to do? Advertising campaigns. So what the company will do? First they will go to an advertising agency. They will consult an advertising agency. Now the first work which needs to be done by the advertising agency is understand the consumer profile. Okay, to understand the consumer profile, this is the first thing which they need to do. How they will do that? They will do this through survey, market surveys. So this market survey will be done by the highly qualified research professionals. They will do the market survey and they will understand the consumer's profile. Now this market survey will take 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. After 2 to 3 weeks, what is the conclusion which came? The conclusion is that the person in the age group of 20 to 35 years, they are more interested in highly advanced motorcycle. They can also pay higher price. This is the working group and they can pay the higher price. This conclusion came with the market survey. Now the creative team will start thinking. Okay, the creative team of advertising agency, their role begins here. They will start thinking how to introduce this brand. Okay, how to introduce this motorcycle. This is a new product and how to introduce this. So what they will do? Now they will first think that whatever motorcycles are there, what are they doing? So whatever brands are there for the motorcycle, they are actually emphasizing on comfort. Okay, they are emphasizing on comfort. So this new brand, what they thought, they will create a new brand which is different from the earlier one. Okay, and they linked it with adventure. Now the copywriters used to write the words. Okay, otherwise there will be copyright issues. The artist, they create the visuals. Now this copywriter and the artist, both they will sit and they will design together the advertisement. Okay, as per the whatever market survey came, as per that this writers and the artists, they will make the advertisement. Now after preparing the advertisement, there will be a presentation. They will give the presentation to the client. Client means the producer of the motorcycle. Okay, so they will give the presentation to the client and they will tell all the things or whatever ideas behind that, they will present that thing. Okay, and what concept they have taken? That life is an adventure, enjoy it. This is the concept which they have taken after the market survey. So whatever visual will be there, whatever words will be there, dialogues will be there, that will be according to the adventure. Okay, they need to show that in their advertisement, and that concept, that advertisement will link with the client. Okay, and that advertisement will actually link the manufacturer and the consumer. Now once this everything is done, it is approved by the client. This advertisement will be tested among some of the targeted audience. Okay, there will be some of the target audience, and among them that will be tested. And when the audience show a positive attitude, they will ensure to try this new brand. They will buy this new brand. Okay. Now doing this tasting and all, when it is successful, the people are the target audience which they are tasting. If they are convinced and they show a positive attitude, the advertisement will be released in the various medias. Okay, and this motorcycle will be launched in the market. So this is the whole procedure behind launching a product into the market. It is a very long process, and it takes a lot of research work to do. So the advertisement we are watching on the television is not a work of 1 day or 2 day. It takes a lot of research work behind that. A lot of people are working behind that. Advertising agencies are working behind that. Copywriters, artists, they are working behind that. Okay. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.